Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser. Then select download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to unzip it. tar-xf. Then tar. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder. ls. Now execute this file. Don't give sudo or run with root account. Just give /start. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it is opening. See, we got the Tor Browser. Now verify the version. Go to help about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0.6. If you want to connect to Tor automatically, turn on this one. If you don't want, and if you want to connect manually, always keep it as it is and click on connect. I want to connect automatically when I open the Tor Browser. So turn on and click on connect. See, establishing a connection. See, successfully connected, and default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, you want to turn on this on is turn on here. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.